Hello there, welcome to another episode. I'm Serkan here. Today we are in Trabzon at Beşirli region about İndoor. Very beautiful, very nice, wonderful project located here. Before we tour, I would like to mention a bit of information about the Beşirli region. In my opinion, Beşirli region is one of the best places of Trabzon. Really, it is so beautiful, very nice place, which is so close to seaside, highway, Trabzon Stadium, Sera Lake, center of the Trabzon, and all shopping mall. And there are virtually anything in this region. As for our project, this project consists of 3 blocks and was built 6,000 square meters land size in the total. There are playground for your children, a lot of sitting area, and a very big indoor garage inside of this project. Now let's go see our apartment. Right now we are inside of our apartment, 4+1 an apartment, 175 square meters gross area. As you walk into home, as you can see, there is the entry is wall chemicals. On the right side you have kitchen and living room, American kitchen style, and very big balcony is available in this section. Along the corridor you have 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom and 1 WC. Let's talk about the heating system. It works natural gas inside of these buildings. Let's keep continue from this section. As you can see, large and useful American kitchen style, open style, 2 living room. Let's see the kitchen. You have a kitchen cabinet and you have a lot of storage area inside your cabin. Oven section. Right over here, dishwasher, and right over here you have refrigerator section. Right next to kitchen you have a big, very large balcony. Let's see it. Really very nice, very large, like double room, very big. And from your balcony you have a very beautiful, amazing panoramic sea view, nature view, and city view. You have a fun with your family. You can sit in your balcony in very relaxed mood. Really very nice, very beautiful. A balcony is available here. Now let's go to our bedroom. Now we are located on our corridor. On the left hand side you have bathroom and WC. On the right hand side you have bedroom. Let's begin from first bedroom. This is bedroom. It is around 15 square meters. There is another bedroom. Approximately it is 12 square meters. As we go on, there is another bedroom. As you can see, it is useful. Maybe you can use for your children or reading room. Right next to this bedroom, we have a master room. Spacious, useful, and we have a bathroom inside of this master room. If you want, you can put a shower cabin inside of your bathroom. It is depend you. Really very nice, very beautiful apartment. Let's keep continue. If we go on, you see fire exit right over here. A fire exit is available. Right over here, you have a bathroom. You have sink, heater, shower cabin, and WC inside of your bathroom. Right over here, right next to this bathroom, you have a WC. As you saw, we toured really very beautiful, very nice apartment which has nature view, city view and sea view. Thank you so much for watching us. See you another time for another video. All the best.